Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable notification sounds on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable notification sounds on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. You will find here notifications. Click on notifications and keep the notifications on and click the drop down menu here. Here you will find the first option, allow notifications to play sound. By default is selected. Just uncheck this option and now notification sound is disabled or turned off on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.